Hi, this is Dr. Suhas, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, GLA University, Mathura. Today we are exciting because we have installed one of our laboratory electric vehicle, which is installed by Decibel Laboratory, and the head office is in Bangalore. We proceed this lab as per the trend of electric vehicle and the demand of electric vehicles in the present scenario. Decibel, the persons came here and they installed the laboratory in a very softly manner. They handled all the things in a very simple manner, and now they have also demonstrated all the things about all the experiments one by one, hardware and software also. We are very thankful to the Decibel team because we whatever the hurdles we have faced, they have solved all the queries with their team members, and the specialized team members were also there, like hardware handled and for software handling.